In the last video, which you can watch here, we unboxed a new truck from Kyosho, the Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro on the KB10L chassis. It's very good looking, there's a lot of scale detail and realism. It also looks like it's really well made. And on the box, Kyosho says it'll do 75 kilometers an hour. But how does it drive? How fast is it really? And did it survive the video?
Alright, you good?
Yes. Of course it did. It's a Toyota. Look at it. And we did really put it through its paces. Look at this. So yeah, tough, good looking, drives really well, and it's fast. I really like this car. And it totally would have done 75 if I'd used a better battery and not an old one. Now, it is around this time that most YouTube channels will ask you to subscribe. And we're no different, so go and do that, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.